Hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. I am a digital content creator, a sewist, and an all-out creative, and I'm here to bring you guys another head wrap tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a top bun, and this style is very popular amongst the head wrapistas. This style is very cute. It's very stylish for an everyday look, and it's very simple. So let's get into it. So the first thing I have to do with my hair, I have to kind of flatten out my locks, because with this look, we're not building upwards. Like a full head wrap, we would be building upwards, but with a regular top knot, this all needs to kind of be flattened down. So if you have big hair, it'd be good for you to do straight back braids. For me, I'm just going to put on a wig cap and just go from there. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Couldn't find a wig cap, but I did find some handy dandy stockings. So we just gonna work with that today. So for this tutorial, I'm using the Flamingo head wrap. Here it is. And with most of our head wrap tutorials, we are going to center our head in the middle of the wrap like so. Make sure that both sides are even. And then we're going to tie once. Pull everything down. Make sure that everything is secure. Hide the wig cap. I'm going to go back and make sure it's all hidden at the end. Alright, so from here, we're going to twist. Twist it on out, twist it on out. Right? And then we're going to come around, hold the center like this, and we're going to twist again. And this extra piece right here, tuck it in the center. You can even grab it from the middle if that's what works best for you. And then from here, you just want to adjust your hair just the way you look. Add in some jewelry, earrings, whatever you want. And I'm going to give you guys the final spin around when I come back. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial pretty easy. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below. And please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Alright, thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.